In this video I show you how to make a group chat on Instagram. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to make a group chat, make sure to watch this video till the end, so you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram, then click on the arrow on the top right corner. So these are all your chats. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner. You can search for people or you can just add them right here. So I'm just going to do that. Click on chat. Now you have your group. You can name them if you want. You can change it to this, and click on done and go back, and this is your group. So every time you can go over here and check your group. If this helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.